Let's see, 3/4 there, 1.5 there, 1.25. Oh wow, okay. Come over this way a lot. Oh yeah, plenty of room. That's great. The first seat we got?
It was too wide.
Yeah, couldn't shut the doors. Well, I think that's it right there. All right, let me make some marks. I'm gonna start kind of slow. I'll cut this, I'll put a brace in here.
Is the idea that you're basically gonna cut out kind of where the trans tunnel is? Be able to lower it?
Yeah, but I also gotta lower it over those battery boxes. Yeah, it's like you got 3 different heights going on there. You know what I mean? So, and the goal is, after it's done, is it clears everything, but it's super low, and then goes forward and back super easy. So I gotta take a mental note of what I got going here. It's a nice seat, it'd probably be comfortable. We'll measure twice, cut once. Measure 5, 6 times. And hopefully only cut once. All right. Okay, so. Hear all the stuff inside there? In the seat, it's all welding. I think I'm just gonna go for it. Move these mounts up like I said. Tack them up here, up there, and then just cut these center pipes out. I'll put like a little, well, this one already has a brace, so it'll just be this thing basically. So it's basically, I'm almost like I'm getting rid of this whole bottom frame, but I'm gonna keep this so it's over the batteries, so you don't really, you know what I mean? People are like, what the hell? And it'll move forward. Yeah, and it helps kind of cover the battery trays with the seat, you know?
Yep.
Makes them disappear a little bit more. I like it when you can't see anything, to where people are like, whoa, what the hell?
Yeah.
Where's the gas tank? Or where's this? Or where's that? You know what I mean? That's the fun part about it. And then move these mounts up here as high as I can for my tracks.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to get like a super low pro track. I think I'm gonna lower it at least 2 inches, which is great.
That's a huge amount in there, yeah.
I think so. All right. Get my welder going. I don't want to watch your camera. It's hot. That's hot. Really hot. Really, really hot. So, on today's episode of How Do They Do That? I am going to show you how to fuck up a brand new seat. Brand spanking new.
Fuck it right up.
Just fuck it up. Probably not going to get that great of a ground, so. There we go. I will still have a hump issue right here. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Might be able to fix that though. How big is that hump is the question. Fuck. About an inch and a half tall. It might be perfect. Please tell me the camera was rolling right then. Yes. Yes. Oh, it's great.
Stupid broken stool.
Oh, shit, man. Inch and a half. Okay. Well, I know what I'm going to do for now, so, okay. That's good. Well, I'm going to have to go into this one.
Oh, okay.
But I have room over it. It's an inch and a half, so I have an inch here.
Plus the tracks.
Plus the tracks. So the track's going to be a half inch. I may be able to just do a little half moon and keep the top here and then just beef it up a little.
Yeah.
Add a little support. Because you got a picture, this will almost be sitting on that hump. It'll just be barely, but it's got to clear because it's got to go back and forth. Yep. You know what I mean? Probably work. You might want to not stand there. Man. Just barely. There it goes. That'll work. I think that's gonna clear, I hope. May have to leave a little more room. Fuck. So when they wrap upholstery around it and stuff, you know.
That's going to be upholstered too.
Yeah. So let's see here. Oh, figures. Smoke covers my marks. That's okay. So it's like 2 inches. If I make this 1/4 inch over, I make this a 1/4 inch over. It's 2 1/4. All right. Ooh, ouch. Let that cool down for a second. Yeah, once I get these welded on, I'm gonna cut here. Here. I'm gonna cut this off. Here and here. We'll go set it on and see. Home stretch. For now, I'll just put like, it's gonna take like some washers so that it's up over that hump, you know what I mean? until I cut this out. But I'm gonna take my time cutting a hump in this thing. This one.
Gonna wait until after you have the tracks.
Probably. Hope I can find some tracks next week. Why don't they tell you? No tracks included. No batteries included. Fuck, man. How long am I have to wait for those? Right? Fuck. All right. Well, no, I just know I'm gonna have to cut into here, so I'm just thinking of how to go about it. I have room right here, so I can go up a little. But I mean, you kind of get the gist of it. Let's go check it out. Yep. Well, brought it down a lot.
Yep.
So we gotta shave some more off of here, Same over here. And then just do my little hump here and put a track on. Be good. And I mean, he'll still have, he can put like his records and CDs under here.
Put a wallet and some.
Yeah, you can put a wallet.
Sunglasses.
You figure it's gonna go down at least another inch because I'm gonna take this bar out here. That's gonna be pretty damn low. If I go another inch, that's gonna put this almost at the bottom of here.
Almost.
You know what I mean?
And there's clearance on the doors
Yeah, doors.
that low.
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's impressive. Like so. Yeah.
The battery boxes you're gonna see right here, but your feet go in the perfect little cubby right here.
Yep.
Everything's working out nice.